Artificial intelligence, AI, fits Agile because both favor rapid learning and adaptation. AI reduces repetitive work and speeds feedback loops. Teams stay focused on outcomes, not manual chores. AI surfaces patterns that people might miss under pressure. It offers options and the team decides. This complements Agile values of collaboration and customer focus. AI is an enabler, not a replacement for human judgment. Used well, it strengthens transparency, alignment, and continuous improvement. AI helps refine a messy backlog into clear, valuable work. It groups similar items and flags duplicates. It proposes clearer titles and lean descriptions. It analyzes customer language to sharpen problem statements. It suggests priority based on value, urgency, and effort signals. Cluster-related backlog items and remove duplicates for clarity. Rewrite vague items into concise, testable tasks. Propose priorities using usage data, market cues, and constraints. Highlight missing context, owners, or dependencies. AI can draft user stories from research notes, feedback, or transcripts. It keeps a consistent voice and format. The team still approves every change. Turn raw feedback into user stories with a clear role, need, and benefit. Propose acceptance criteria that are specific and testable. Suggest edge cases and non-functional aspects like performance or accessibility. For example, it can propose as a user, I can save drafts so I avoid losing work. The team refines language and scope. Estimation remains a human decision. AI provides useful inputs and ranges. It looks at historical work, complexity signals, and code patterns. It helps expose uncertainty early. Compare new items to past similar items and propose ranges. Identify hidden complexity based on dependencies or architectural impacts. Simulate delivery timelines given different team capacities. Forecast likely velocity bands with confidence intervals. The goal is better conversations and safer commitments, not perfect predictions. AI streamlines planning by aligning scope with capacity and goals. It can test different scenarios fast. It points out conflicts before they hurt delivery. Flag overcommitment based on recent throughput and holidays. Suggest a balanced mix of feature, defect, and technical debt work. Surface cross-team dependencies that threaten the plan. Propose thin slices that still deliver user value. Teams review suggestions and decide. Planning stays collaborative and grounded in data. AI watches delivery patterns and highlights anomalies early. It converts raw data into clear signals. It helps the team learn during the sprint, not after. Detect cycle time spikes and propose likely causes. Watch lead time trends and show bottlenecks by stage. Explain burndown deviations with plain language insights. Spot quality drift from test failures or defect spikes. These insights feed daily decisions and improve retrospectives. The team owns actions and learning. AI scans signals across code, tasks, and conversations to surface risks. It reduces surprises by making risks visible. It also proposes mitigations. Flag scope creep from changing requirements or unplanned work. Identify dependency risks across teams, components, or vendors. Highlight compliance or security concerns from relevant changes. Monitor delivery slippage and recommend trade-offs or descoping. The team reviews risk severity and owners. Mitigation becomes timely and practical. AI strengthens collaboration by reducing noise and gaps. It saves time across meetings and updates. Summarize daily stand-ups into clear actions and blockers. Draft release notes from merged work and user impact. Translate updates for global teams, preserving key terms. Provide quick answers from team knowledge bases. Suggest agendas and questions for focused reviews. Transparency improves and context flows faster. The team keeps autonomy and voice. Effective use needs guardrails and shared habits. The team sets boundaries and reviews outcomes. Keep humans in the loop for scope, estimates, and commitments. Protect sensitive data in prompts and outputs. watch for bias, and validate recommendations with evidence. Log AI-generated changes for traceability and learning. Treat AI as a partner that proposes, not decides. These practices preserve trust and quality. They align with Agile values and ethics. AI lives Agile by refining backlogs, improving estimation, and strengthening monitoring. It helps generate user stories and acceptance criteria quickly. It tracks risk early and supports clear communication. The team remains accountable for decisions and outcomes. Start small with one workflow and measure impact. Expand when value is clear and trust is strong. This course explores tools and patterns in greater depth. Bring curiosity and build a smart, humane, agile practice.